Hey guys, it's me, Mrs. Rushar again, back again to give you a tutorial video on one of your assignments. This assignment is your digital back to school choice board. This is just a way for us to get to know you a little bit better. All 7th grade students are completing the choice board, so it's just a way to interact with you guys and get to know you a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and present the screen, and we are going to go ahead and talk through the assignment. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just wanted to make sure that I'm covering all the bases and talking through what you need to do. So I'm going to go to present now, and I think I'm getting the hang of this. I want the digital back to school. All right, here we go. This is us. Now, what do I need to do? All right, I want to go into presentation mode. So let's get to know each other. Back to school digital choice board. What you're going to do is there's kind of a tic-tac-toe. The one in the middle, letter to myself, is one that is required of everyone. And then the other ones around the edge, you need to pick 2 other ones to complete. So you've got lots of choices. Character match, choose it or lose it, how I learn best, about me scavenger hunt, BFF snapshot, my classroom playlist, family interview, or my favorite things. So as you go through the slides, it's going to have you type within that box. So everything's there for you. This is a letter to my future self, and then dear me, and you're going to type your information within that slide. Here's character match, add character photos. So you're just going to go through each one, choose it or lose it. You're going to pick either choice and highlight that. Tell me how you like to learn. Answer the questions on the left and right by typing in the box. All about me scavenger hunt, add at least 3 photos there. Song playlist, BFF snapshot, family interview, favorite things. What you can do is then delete the slides that you don't use. And if I go out of presentation mode, you can see the information that it asks you on the side. So you can just kind of pull that over to see what it is that it's asking you. It's kind of funky a little bit to move it around, but there's stuff on the side for you to look at. So you decide which ones that you would prefer to do, and then your job is to complete 3 total. I'm going all over the place. Okay. And then the other ones, if you wanted to do more, you certainly could, but you just need to do 3. So anyway, if I decided to do like character match, letter to myself, which was required, and then favorite things, I could delete those other slides because they would not be necessary. Okay, so here's a little bit of more explanation on, going crazy here, on the instructions for letter to myself. Again, my thing's going crazy. So again, directions on each of those pages, but my computer's going wackadoodle, so I don't know if I can do this, make it easier to see. It seems to be going the opposite direction. Well, anyway, if you have any questions or you're not sure, please reach out to me, but it's just trying to find a fun, interactive way to get to know you guys. I don't know where I am right now. I'm lost. I don't know what I'm presenting. Me? Can you see me? I don't know. All right. Well, I will see you later this week. All right. Bye-bye.